Hello dear students, welcome to my one more class on module 2 properties of integers. So in this lecture video, I'll be discussing about combination with repetitions. So first we will learn about combination with repetitions. Suppose we wish to select with repetition a combination of all objects from a set of n distinct objects. So then the number of such selection is given by the formula combination of n plus r minus 1 comma r is equivalent to n plus r minus 1 factorial divided by r factorial n minus 1 factorial is equivalent to combination of r plus n minus 1 comma n minus 1. So in other words, the combination of n plus r minus 1 comma r will be equivalent to combination of r plus n minus 1 comma n minus 1, uh, which represent the number of combination of m distinct objects taken r at a time with repetition allowed here. The following are other interpretations of this combination with repetition. The first one is combination of n plus r minus 1 comma r is equivalent to combination of r plus n minus 1 comma n minus 1, which represent the number of ways in which r identical objects can be distributed among n distinct containers. One more is combination of n plus r minus 1 comma r which is equivalent to combination of r plus n minus 1 comma n minus 1, which represent the number of non-negative integer solutions of the equations. So problems, in how many ways we can distribute 10 identical marbles among 6 distinct containers. So the first thing is here we have to identify what is n, what is r. So I wish to select here choosing with repetition r is equal to 10 as a marbles for n is equal to 6 distinct containers. So in the formula I'll be replacing r is equal to 10 and n is equal to 6. So I'll be getting what? The required number is combination of r plus 10 minus 1 comma 10. It will be equal to combination of 15 comma 10 is equal to 15 factorial by 10 factorial into 5 factorial. On expanding this this combination, I'll be getting the solution 3003. So it means that we can distribute the 10 identical marbles among 6 distinct containers in 3003 ways. Second problem, in how many ways can we distribute 7 apples and 6 oranges among 4 children so that each children gets at least 1 apple? Okay, the condition is, first thing is each children has to get 1 apple here. The first thing is I'm going to distribute 1 apple for each children. So out of 8 apple, so after distributing the 4 apples among all the children, the next remaining 3 apples can be distributed among 4 children in combination of 4 plus 3 minus 1 comma 3 ways. So here I will be choosing r is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4 because I'm going to distribute the remaining 3 apples among 4 children here. So I can write this as combination of 4 plus 3 minus 1 comma 3 is equal to c combination of 6 comma 3 ways. Also next is I should distribute the 6 oranges in among 4 children again. So here I will be choosing n is equal to 6, again r is equal to 6 and n is equal to 4. So I will be getting what? Combination of 4 plus 6 minus 1 comma 6 is equal to combination of 9 comma 6 ways. So now totally I need to distribute all the 7 apples and 6 oranges among 4 children by giving 4 apples for each children. So this can be obtained by multiplying both the combination. This combination of 6 comma 3 into combination of 9 comma 6. I'll be getting 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. It will be equal to 20 into 84. So 1680. So we can conclude like, so we can distribute 7 apples and 6 oranges among 4 children in 1680 ways by giving 1 apple for each children. This is the condition they have given here. So problem number 3, a message is made up of 12 different symbols and it is to be transmitted through a communication channel. In addition to the 12 symbols, the transmitter will also send a total 45 blank space between the symbols. So with at least 3 space between each pair of consecutive symbols. So in how many ways can the transmitter send such a messages? Okay, so here the given that the 12 symbols can be arranged in 12 ways actually. So for each of these arrangement there are for this 12 symbols will be having 11 positions between the 12 symbols here. So since there must be at least 3 spaces between successive symbols, so we'll be having 33 of 45 spaces will be used up. So the remaining 12 spaces are to be accommodated in 11 position. So this can be done by using the combination like combination of 11 plus 2 minus 1 comma 12 is equal to combination of 22 comma 12 ways we can execute this. So by using the product rule, I'm going to multiply that 12 arrangement. I mean the 12 ways this is combination. I'll be getting 12 factorial into combination of 22 comma 12. It will be equal to 12 factorial by 22 factorial by 12 factorial into 10 factorial. So I'll be having 3.097445 into 10 power 14 ways we can arrange all these 12 symbols with the given spaces. One more example, in how many ways can one distribute 8 identical balls into 4 distinct containers? So that first one no container is left empty. Second one is the fourth container must get the odd number of balls. So according to first condition, the no container must left empty. I mean we have to put balls for all the 4 distinct containers. So if I put 4 balls out of 8 containers, so next is the remaining 4 balls I can put in 4 distinct ways. So it is given by combination of 4 plus 4 minus 1 comma 4. It will be equal to combination of 7 comma 4. On expanding this combination, I will be getting 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. It will be equal to 35. This is first condition. The next condition, we have to assume that if the fourth container gets the odd number of balls, like 1 or 3 or 5 balls or 7 balls into it. So in the first case, suppose if I put 1 ball into the fourth container, the remaining 7 balls can be put in the following 3 containers in the following combination ways. That is combination of 3 plus 7 minus 1 comma 7 is equal to combination of 9 comma 7 ways we can put it. When means in the first case I am putting only 1 ball for the fourth container. So similarly, if I put 3 balls into fourth container, the remaining 5 balls can be put into remaining 3 containers in the following ways. That is combination of 3 plus 5 minus 1 comma 5 is equal to combination of 7 comma 5 ways we can put it. Third case is if I put 5 balls into the fourth container. So if I put the 5 balls into fourth container, the remaining 3 balls can be put into the remaining 3 containers in the following way. That is combination of 3 plus 3 minus 1 comma 3. It will be equal to combination of 5 comma 3 ways we can put it. So last case is if I put 7 balls into fourth container, the remaining 1 ball can be put into 3 containers in the following way. That is combination of 3 plus 1 minus 1 comma 1 will be equal to combination of 3 comma 1 ways. So now I want to accumulate all these ways in a single platform. So therefore the total number of ways of distributing given balls, so that fourth container gets odd number is given by combination of 9 comma 7 plus combination of 7 comma 5 plus combination of 5 comma 3 plus combination of 3 comma 1. So on expanding this combination, I'll be getting 70. So that in 70 ways I can accumulate the odd number of balls into fourth container. Thank you.